Hey y'all, my name's Beth. I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist in the health promotion department at the UGA Health Center, and today we're going to be making another blenderless smoothie. So just a quick reminder, these are some smoothies that we can make without a blender. So instead of a blender, you're going to need a closed container. So I'm using a kind of big ball jar with a lid. You could also use like a coffee tumbler, to-go cup, or a turbis cup or something like that. That closes all the way. That's gonna be crucial. So you could use like a Tupperware or something like that. The smoothie that we're gonna make today is a little bit fall themed, so we're gonna be making a pumpkin smoothie. So pumpkin also being a good veggie that we can use without needing a blender to break it up. So we're gonna start with about half a cup of pumpkin. Pumpkin is an excellent source of dietary fiber, so the smoothie, because of all the fiber that's in it, going to keep you feeling full for a while because of that fiber. And some chia seeds. Chia seeds also really good soluble fiber source. So between the two of these, our half a cup of pumpkin, 2 tablespoons or so of chia seeds, you're gonna get about 14 grams of dietary fiber. And as a reminder, we want around 25 to 36 grams a day, so that's a really good start. We use about half a cup of Greek yogurt, so that's just gonna give us some protein, some calcium, kind of thicken up the smoothie a little bit since we're not using ice or any frozen fruits or anything. A cup of milk, so your choice, whatever milk you like, throw that in there. Obviously we need some liquid for a smoothie to have. Honey for a sweetener. You can use like 1 to 2 teaspoons. Just eyeball it depending what you like, and I'm gonna tell you I like it a little sweeter. 2 teaspoons. Other good options would be, maple syrup, agave nectar would be other good liquid sweeteners. You could also just use sugar. I should have used my teaspoon to do my spice first because this is dry and that's wet. Obviously I'm not gonna stick it in here now. You could use either a teaspoon or 2 of cinnamon. I'm gonna use some pumpkin pie spice just because it's got like a little bit of cloves, nutmeg, ginger, and I like that ginger. So I'm just gonna kind of shake it in there. I don't think it will be too much. So everything's kind of layered in there, and we're just gonna give it a good shake. This is a good time to make your boomerang for Instagram, or maybe make a reel or something. Seeds will kind of continue to absorb some liquid, so if you let this sit for a few minutes, it'll thicken up a little bit more, but that's what we're working with. It's gonna be really delicious. Start off your day with some protein, some fiber, some calcium. There's good omega-3 fats from the chia seeds, and it's gonna be really delicious, really easy, not a lot of cleanup, don't need a blender, can really make it anywhere. So if you make it, let us know at UGA Health Center. Thanks for watching.